woke up early on a Saturday morn, thinking about the Panipopo since I was born. But before I could even reach for the plate, my mama's voice sealed my morning fate. Boy, get up, the grass is long, the Humour needs wood, stop singing that song. I tried to hide behind the fridge for a snack, but a flying slipper hit me right in the back. Oh, it's hard being the favorite child in a Samoan house where the kids are wild. I just want some sapasui and a big bowl of rice, but I'm scrubbing the floor, I've already done it twice. Yeah, I'm dreaming of the feast, I'm dreaming of the cocoa. But if I don't move fast, the mama's gonna go loco. We went to the lotu in our Sunday best, trying to find a moment just to get some rest. But my cousins are whispering, making me laugh, while the deacon is looking like he's on the warpath. Then we get to the hall for the big ta'ona-i. I'm looking at the pu'a with a tear in my eye, but I'm the youngest one there, so I've got to wait to serve all the elders and fill up their plate. Oh, it's hard being the favorite child in a Samoan house where the kids are wild. I just want some sapasui and a big bowl of rice, but I'm scrubbing the floor, I've already done it twice. Yeah, I'm dreaming of the feast, I'm dreaming of the cocoa. But if I don't move fast, mama's gonna go loco. Appetite for the food and the laughs, even if my uncle's stories take 3.5 hours to finish while we sit on the mat, wondering how we can talk that much and stay that fat. Pass the pisupo, pass the salt. If I'm still hungry, it's not my fault. Just a happy kid from the 685 with enough taro to stay alive. Oh, it's hard being the favorite child in a Samoan house where the kids are wild. I just want some sapasui and a big bowl of rice, but I'm scrubbing the floor, I've already done it twice. Yeah, I'm dreaming of the feast, I'm dreaming of the cocoa. But if I don't move